Two all-in-one field service platforms, each with unique strengths. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Jobber, all-in-one service business management with powerful scheduling and ease of use. And on the right, Workiz, automation-centric field service ops, leading the way with AI and inventory tools. Let's skip the buzzwords and get down to what actually matters for your business. Every category scores points, and by the end you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result in 2025 might surprise you. Alright, take a quick look at what we're comparing. Pricing, mobile app, inventory management, automation and AI, scheduling and dispatch, who they're best for, and customer support and onboarding. Pretty much everything you want to know before making a call on new software. Okay, starting off with pricing, and this category can be kind of sneaky. So first up, Jobber. Jobber starts at just $9 a month for solo users, which sounds amazing, right? Plus, there's a 14-day free trial to get your feet wet. But honestly, as you add extra users or bump up to those higher tiers, the price starts climbing pretty fast. Oh, and there's no free plan, which, come on, I wish there was. Then you've got Workiz. This one honestly is pretty generous with the free forever plan covering 2 users with basic features. If you're scaling, their pricing fits bigger teams too. The catch: standard plans can get pricey once you go up, and that top-tier ultimate plan you actually need a custom quote. So who takes it? Workiz edges out here, especially if you want free or scalable options. Next up, mobile apps. I mean, if you're out in the field, you absolutely live off these, yeah? Jobber's mobile app is super highly rated, sitting at 4.5 out of 5 stars. Offline capabilities very strong. It's quick, responsive, although if you want to go crazy with inventory management, it might feel kind of limited. Over to Workiz, their app's functional, got GPS and time tracking, all that good stuff, but the rating? Only 3 out of 5, and offline support, kinda hit or miss here, so honestly if you need something that just works out of the box, Jobber's your winner. Inventory management, let's talk quirks. Jobber gets you basic asset management, perfect if you just want something simple. But for multi-location tracking, advanced control and all those bells and whistles, not happening. Now Workiz, that's where things get really interesting. Advanced multi-location inventory, live stock tracking, integrated price book. It's almost like you're running a mini Amazon warehouse, But seriously, Workiz crushes this category for anyone who's got more complicated inventory needs. Winners pretty clear, Workiz. Oh, and here's something cool I found out. Workiz was actually one of the first platforms to add a 24/7 AI receptionist for field service businesses. Pretty wild, right? Imagine not missing a single call, even when you're sleeping. Let's move on to automation and AI, and you know what? This is where things start feeling like the future. Jobber's got Copilot AI for basic workflow automation. It's handy, sure. But if you want, say, a robot to answer your calls in the middle of the night, nope, not built in, but Workiz has their Genius AI suite which, get this, runs a full 24/7 AI receptionist. Plus, you get advanced workflow automations, pre-built rules, the whole shebang. If automation excites you, it should. Workiz is definitely pulling ahead. Scheduling and dispatch, oh man, this is make or break for busy teams, right? Jobber's drag and drop scheduling is honestly so smooth. Route optimizations built in, recurring jobs, multi-day scheduling, it just feels solid. Only thing is, multi-day scheduling is basic, not super advanced. Workiz, on the other hand, also has drag and drop, ties in Google Maps for routes, and supports advanced multi-day projects. But recurring jobs are more on the basic side here. Yeah, so both get the job done for sure, but Jobber's flow and convenience for dispatch and scheduling push it ahead this round. Best for, so who are these platforms actually built for? Jobber is ideal for small to mid-sized service-based businesses, like 1 person all the way up to 50 employees or more. Covers lots of industries too, which is nice. Workiz is a bit more niche. It's awesome for on-demand, field service SMEs, usually 20 people, especially those who live and breathe by their calls. Kinda cool, but may not scale as well for big enterprise stuff. So, if you want the wider net, honestly, Jobber takes it. Last but not least, customer support and onboarding. This one's so underrated. With Jobber, onboarding super smooth, their support team is on it. You actually feel taken care of. Workiz does have email and chat support and a handy resource center too, but I've heard their support speed and satisfaction scores are a bit behind Jobber. So if you want to feel like someone's got your back, Jobber wins here. Let's zoom out and see the scores visually. The radar chart here shows Jobber leading in mobile app, scheduling, best for, and support. Workiz spikes in inventory and automation. Pricing stays pretty balanced, but that Workiz free plan does tip the scale. So if you want something that's tried and true for scheduling, onboarding, and fits most field service teams, Jobber is my pick. On the flip side, if you're really into automation or need high-octane inventory management and advanced call handling, Workiz is worth a serious look. Honestly, for 2025, Jobber's hard to beat for everyday field pros, but Workiz is the choice for anyone chasing the latest tech edge. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.